fast. And we let you kids ride for 2 seconds by yourself and end up in the pond. Welcome back to Carolina Rock Cuddles. Hello, little Jonah. So today we got the Totos out, got both of them out, and I got all this furniture, old furniture I gotta go throw out today. So I thought, you know what? We're gonna make a little obstacle course, you know, little jumps like Monster Jam. Ain't that right, Jonah? Yeah. Make a little burnout. I think these kids are gonna have fun. So I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna start.
I'm new to this video. This is my first time on this video.
Landon, get away from the car. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead. We're gonna set some stuff up. We will see y'all in a second. Look at Jonah.
Parkour!
Slow, Landon. Watch out, Jonah. Don't go fast. Come on, little Joe. More speed than that. Oh, he broke the breath frame. You pushed it. Joe, put it in reverse. You can back right off of it, buddy. Landon, watch out. Move. Back off, Joe. You can literally just back off of it. You have reverse. I got you. I got you. Oh, got it. Slow down, Landon. That's too fast. Oh. Yeah, that was way too fast out of you.
I got all the way over there and then turned
That's too fast. That's too fast.
Hop on.
Put it forward. Oh, it won't work. Come on. Come on. Go. It won't work, Joe. Well, me and Jonah here, we got the Can-Am, and I guess we're going to go find some mud. They want to take the little baby foilers over there. All right, watch where you're going. Anyways, we're going to catch y'all in a second when we get to the mud.
A few moments later.
What do you mean you hate getting muddy? You want it? Go forward, Joe. Or maybe go backwards. You both watch it. Come on, Joe. Push. Gotta push to get. Poor Lennon shoe. Lennon lost his shoe. That's a little fast. Oh, hold it down all the way. Keep holding it, you're going. Rock it. Keep going, you're moving, see? Keep rocking, Landon. Oh, cut it off. Put it down. Push, Joe, push. Okay, go. Gentle. He's slowly moving. Joe, you're slowly moving, bud. Come on. Go slow and easy. This is so much easier by yourself. I know. Hang on, Jonah. You're running up the front. Jonah's like, I can't swim. It's over my head. Coffee got off. Good, Jonah, thanks. I get it now. Hey, your seat came off. Okay, Joe, what are you gonna do, buddy? Go swimming. Go, go. It's not that deep. Come on, come to me. Come on, Joe. Jonah, I don't know if that short's imported or not. I hope not. Y'all stay in the middle, Joe. No, Jack. You're out with me. We ain't getting muddy. I'm gonna get shoes on. You gonna go, Landon? Landon, is that deep? Joe, stand beside you against the wall. Okay. Go that way. I need to go. I love y'all. Jonah, watch out. No, it meant don't move, Jonah. There's too many people. Got a wild thornberries over there. Yeah, I have a feeling one of them's going to run out of gas soon, and I think it's going to be Joe. Kill it, Jonah! Kill it! Kill it hard! Hey, let's head back in, y'all, because I'm going gas. Okay, Jonah. Jump on, buddy. Hey, Joe, look. This is my twin brother. Identical twin. No joke. Do we look like twins?
What's up?
What's up?
A little bit.
He's a little trimmed today, and I ain't trimmed.
Yeah, I trimmed this morning for George.
I missed that. Come on, guys.
And I got my favorite baby, Jack. Jack, wait!
Say hi, Jack. Jack for his YouTube video. Hang on, let me go help these kids with their Crocs.
One eternity later.
Oh, there it goes. I guess Jonah wants to ride on the mini four and they won't let him.
Meanwhile.
I'm running. Man, we let you kids ride for 2 seconds by yourself and you end up in a pond. Oh, that's a long run. Landon, how did that happen?
He was about looking at the road again like...
What did I tell you? I told you to look where you were going and you weren't.
I don't know what... I let you go for 2 seconds to go put my foil up and go break the other one. He's a submarine operator.
Landon.
He's a submarine operator. Watch out, Jack. Jack, watch out.
Well, guys, as always, thanks for watching. Hey, Joe. Say hey, Landon. Hi, Jonah.
Bye.
Well, guys, we had a blast today. We got Phil. Oh, you're leaving? Bye.
Can you hit the like button and subscribe and hit the like bell?
Yeah.
Yeah, please hit the like button or I might knock you out and punch you in the face.
Please don't punch me. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. We had a blast today. We rode through the mud. They did monster jam. Landon about hurt himself multiple times. He got a little cocky. Joe Hill, he kept messing up his foil. So, guys, we will see y'all next time. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and as always, we'll see you later. Jonah the dog. Say woof woof.
I am a woof woof.
Oh, okay, I know what this is. This is okay, birthday stuff. Jonah, what do you say? Woof woof.
Woof woof.